My friends, welcome to exercise 96 in my 200 3D CAD models in FreeCAD series. Exercise 96 is a very simple object and it can be done in both part or part design workbench. If we do it in part, I would have to take help of draft or lattice 2 workbench to build these outer rails. In part design, we can do that in house within the part design. So for this one, I decided I'll do this in part design workbench. Nevertheless, we'll have to do the image processing to help us sketching. And I want to start sketching on XY plane, on XZ plane, I'm sorry. So XZ plane, let's go ahead and place it on XZ plane, which is on the front side. And that's what I want to sketch this, right? So let's go ahead and relocate the image so it makes some sense in sketching. Because I'll be revolving the first part, I'll just take, say, half of it. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the axis cross off and start sketching in part design. So create a body and then create a sketch on XY plane. Nope, XZ plane. This is the plane that I want to pick. And then, so I will be sketching only this portion of that object. I could only sketch half of it, but it won't give me much benefit if I do only, say, I could draw only this half and then repeat it on the other side, but it won't give me much benefit. So I decided to do the whole thing. All right, let's put some constraints down, and this is going to be 20. This is going to be 20, right? The total length is 40. Obviously, this would be 10. Yeah. And then I'm gonna say these two will be equal. And this is 5. The distance between these two is 5. Okay, let's put some extra constraints. The distance, vertical distance between these two is 5. So let's put these two on the same horizontal level and these two on the same, these two same horizontal level. And then the distance between these two, the hollow part, is 8. And we're going somewhere. It's starting to pin it down, and this would be 10. Okay, so that's almost fully constrained. We only need to specify this length, which is it going to be 5? I'm going to say yes. So this point and this point are the same horizontal plane. That's a fully constrained sketch. Let's go ahead and rename that to sketch revolve. And then I want to revolve that. So this would be, we'll have to change the sketch axis. So yep, that makes more sense. All right, we got our revolution done. So we got the inner part kind of built out. Now for these railings, I wish there was a halfway cross section, but let's count them. So let's start working on that. So we'll have to build something on this face, right? So it will be in sketch on this face. So that is on YZ plane. So let's go ahead and draw a sketch on YZ plane. Okay, and so if I remember correctly, I'll have to draw a circle, obviously construction geometry, but I'll have to draw that and then make that circle diameter 41, right? And then on that circle there will be another circle which will be on this axis as well. It will be diameter 2. So that is our hole, and now it's sitting above here. I want to pull it down. Okay, so on the attachment tab on Z, let's say 5. Now where is that? That is kind of there. How about I say 10? And that puts it on this face, and that's what I want it to be. Now I want to pad it for 20. So that is our first cylindrical bar, and then I want to revolve it around there with this polar pattern. Let's go ahead and make this pad. I want to say, did you count 32? Something like that. And hit OK. See, that was easy. So that is our object. 32 of the bars outside railing, and then inside there is a hollow part. Pretty simple. I could do the same thing in part and lattice 2 workbench, but part design kind of like gives that chance to work everything within this one workbench. Very impressive. I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.